Here's how to print a PDF file on Windows for free with PDFgear. It's pretty straightforward. Open the file, click the print icon, choose your printer, check the preview, and hit print. This sends the PDF to a physical printer instead of saving another PDF. If you don't have PDFgear yet, search for PDFgear on Google and download and install it from the official website. In PDFgear, click Open File and choose the PDF you want to print. Once it opens, click the print icon in the upper left corner. You can also press Ctrl P. Choose your physical printer from the printer menu. For this quick test, set copies to 1 and enter a page number under page range. Check the preview to make sure you have the right page, then click Print. Wait for the page to finish printing, then pick it up and compare it with the preview. There it is. The page on paper matches what we saw on screen. The basic print is done, so let's look at a few optional settings. First, here's how to print a PDF with comments. Check Print Comments to include them. For a clean copy, uncheck Print Comments, then check the preview again. Printing only certain pages, go to page range and enter the page numbers you need. You can also choose just the even or odd pages when a job calls for it. For paper size, choose the option that matches what's loaded in the printer, such as letter or A4. Then pick Portrait or Landscape and make sure the page looks right in the preview. If the edges are getting cut off, select Fit Page to make the entire page fit on the paper. Use actual size for the document's original dimensions, or use Zoom to set a specific scale percentage. For double-sided printing, turn on Print on both sides. Just make sure your printer supports automatic duplex printing. Before we wrap up, here are 2 quick fixes. If your printer isn't listed, check that it's on and connected by USB or to the same Wi-Fi network as your PC. If Windows asks you to name a file, Microsoft Print to PDF is selected. Choose your physical printer instead. One last look. Make sure the printed page matches the preview, including the page, scale, orientation, and annotations. And you're good to go. Give PDFgear a try and make your next PDF print exactly the way you want.